how to add your video to a group collaboration is what we're doing today. So first step is you're going to get a link from the group. Once you get the group link, you click it and it'll open up a new window where you will see the continue button. It's a really bright blue button. What you're going to do with that button is you're going to click it. Once you click it, it sort of activates itself. So that way you have whatever you put in that little area at that time, you need to be really careful what you click. So once you click the continue button, go back to your studio on YouTube. And then from there, you're going to go to your content. Go ahead and click the content button. Once you get into your content, you're going to look for the video that is going to go into the group playlist. Once you see that, you are going to click the actual video. It's going to open up into a window, and then you're going to click the description window that will play for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into that left corner, click that video, then it's going to open up into a new screen again, or it'll be in the same screen, but then you'll see the actual video. Then you're going to go down below the video, and there's all these little areas down below, like report, save. Your biggest one you want is save. So you're going to click the save button. And once you click that save button, another window is going to pop open, and it's going to have the collaboration link. And all you do is check that box, and now you're in it. You are already in the actual collaboration playlist. So what you can always do to double check is just go to the return button and go back all the way to the point where you were able to see the collaboration link where before you hit the continue button. So just go backwards a few on that same area. Just keep going back until you get that collaboration link pops back up. Once you get that, you know you've already been added to the playlist. Make sure you go back in your descriptions and add that link to the playlist. What that does is help everybody else see your video with everybody else that's in the group. So to make it easy for you and for them, so that way everyone can see the playlist from the entire group. Thank you, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this helps you.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put